If you were face to face with a veteran right now, what would you say to them?
I would say, thank you for everything that you've done for us and for fighting for our freedom and for being that courageous just to do that one thing for everybody in this whole entire nation.
Thank you for spending all your time away from your family, and I'm glad you're back.
My dad was actually in the Navy, so I'd like to say thank you for everything that he has done and for what all other veterans have done. We appreciate it very much, and without people like you, America would not be a safe place to be.
My dad was in the military. He was in the Army, and all I would like to say to him is thank you, and thank you for our freedom and service.
My grandpa served in the Vietnam War, and I'd just like to thank him for everything he's ever done for us in this country.
My dad was in the military, and I love him, and I'm very proud, and I'm very happy for him to be my dad.
My dad was in the U.S. military, Army, and I'd like to thank him for everything he's done and always trying to keep me safe.
I want to say to my uncle, thank you for fighting for us and being brave.
My dad, my grandpa, my uncle all served, so I'd like to say thank you to them as well as all the other veterans for risking their lives to protect our country.
I'd like to say thank you for your service and your dedication to our country. I know the time I spent in the service was the best part of my life, actually, and I'd hope it'd be the same for you.
I love that you would help our world, and I love that you are willing to do that. There was many people who could have died from it, but thank you for willing, because we could have become slaves or our world could have been run different. So thank you so much.
To veterans, I'd like to say thank you for making the sacrifice that most people can't make.
My dad is in the Marines, and when he shows me his medals, I am very proud of him.
My grandpa was in the Air Force, and I would like to tell my grandpa and other veterans just to keep trying, and that you are making a difference for us and our country and giving us a brighter future. Thank you.
Thank you, veterans, for serving in the Marine, the Navy, Army, and the Air Force, and a special thank you for my grandpa.
I would say thank you for giving up some of your personal freedom, your friends and family, some of your financial freedom, and I'm sure that you are not as appreciated as you should be, but I really, really, really thank you for everything you do.
I am proud of my great-grandpa who won a Purple Heart. Thank you for your service.
If I was face to face with a veteran, I would tell them thank you. Thank you for their service. Thanks for their bravery, for fighting for our country and our freedoms and our rights. It takes a special person to be a veteran, and I know many veterans, and I thank them more than just Veterans Day. So again, thank you for everything you've done for us.